When we first moved in here, we didn't have any grandchildren. So we expanded to 14 as a family. And one of our briefs to Dion right from the start was that we would have a space for all of us to come. And of course that has just worked magically over the past 5 years. As soon as we met Dion, I just knew that he was going to be able to deliver what we wanted for the house. We were very happy right from the start. We really enjoyed the house, but our family had grown quite a lot. When we first bought the house, we didn't have any grandchildren, so one of the main things that we really wanted to improve on with the house, I guess, was we wanted to have an area where the family could come and we would have enough room for everybody to come together. One of the frustrations of the whole sort of outdoor entertaining area, I guess, was the fact that it was a number of levels. So he talked to us about a range of issues there. And yes, we did want to have a garden. We wanted to maintain the greenery and we wanted to keep that sort of privacy that we needed from the street because we were on a corner. So he talked to us about a range of issues to suit our lifestyle. Our brief to Dion was we wanted to not only increase the space but create an environment for us that actually complemented the house rather than changed it completely. And that work that Dion and his team did has just been exactly what we wanted, really. He's created a whole lot more area for us to live in and given us the opportunity to live more outside and to use the house more, I suppose. I really was happy that we'd engaged an architect. So we wanted to be really sure that the final product was going to complement the existing house and was going to overall add to the value of our asset, basically. When you're working with an architect and you are working with an existing house and adding to it, you need someone who is really experienced in that field and you're going to be comfortable with to make sure that you actually get an end product that you're happy with. Part of the process that Dion and his team talk you through is you get the concept in the drawings. And that was very important with the finishes that we put into the extension. And we thought they all looked so great. I think it was more important for my husband because I could visualise it, but I think he found that really helpful that Dion and his team were able to talk us through how that was all going to come together in the end, especially when we created a new entrance to the house. So that was all presented to us very nicely and it looked terrific right from the start.